Hello friends, welcome to our channel. We hope you are watching those videos which we are releasing one by one pertaining to the products sold by India Enterprises. So in this video, we are going to introduce very useful equipment, that is a preheating plate. It is based on infrared technology. It's basically preheating plate model is IRPH4, and it is primarily used for bottom heating purpose while reworking on a multi-layered PCB. So it avoids the thermal shock and which can cause damage to the expensive PCBs. So you will get this product in the packing you are displaying on the screen. So let's open this box and see what contents are supplied along with this product. This is operating manual you will get. It contains the information with regard to operation and troubleshooting. And this is the main equipment, IRPH4. It is securely packed, and the power cord is connected to this unit. A type thermocouple is also supplied along with this bottom heating plate. We have you can see that we have unpacked this product. Now it will be connected to the AC power source, but before connecting it I will give some salient features, like this heating area is around 130 mm by 130 mm, and it is based on ceramic heating technology. K-type thermocouple is also supplied along with this product, and that lower temperature range is 50 degrees centigrade, and the higher one is 350 degrees centigrade. And you can see that it is very useful. A mesh is also provided so that to avoid any component dropping on that heater. So let's connect it to the AC power source and see how we can operate this bottom heating plate. See, there is a on off switch provided, so you need to just switch it on. Then there is another switch for cooling and warming option. So if you want to increase the temperature, it should be positioned at warm, and then you can see that temperature will be rising. And there are three push buttons also for increasing or decreasing the temperature. Up temperature from this arrow button, you can increase or decrease the temperature. Here we will set temperature of first we will set temperature of 50 degree to see the lower range, and then we will set the temperature of 350 degree to see the higher range. So both temperature we will set. So now we will set the highest temperature range, which is 350 degrees centigrade. So it will take some time to attain that temperature. So you should wait till the temperature is achieved, then you can start the operation. So in the next step, we will connect this thermocouple. See, this thermocouple is used to measure the actual temperature. See that you can see that on the right side actual temperature is displayed, on the left side set temperature, which can measure with the help of this thermocouple. You can keep this thermocouple on this mesh to see the difference between the actual and set temperature. So as there is as a distance between the ceramic heater and the mesh, so there will be slightly um, different temperature between the ceramic heater and the mesh, which you can monitor on this display also. That the thermocouple will read the actual temperature which is present on this mesh, and there will be clear difference between the actual temperature and the uh, actual temperature on the mesh and the set temperature, because of the distance between the ceramic heater and this metal mesh. But basically it is used for preheating. For preheating 100 degrees centigrade is enough, or you can set 120 degree according to your multi-layer PCB, but preheating temperature of 100 degrees centigrade is enough for bottom heating. And it is basically used for multi-layered PCB, and you can use a PCB holder also, which we also supply. It is also mentioned in the operating manual, but that is an optional accessory, and it is not supplied along with this bottom heating plate. So you can use the combination of this bottom heating plate and the PCB stand. If you want to rework multi-layered PCB, or you want to preheat any other metal object, or other type of application also. So we have explained the functionality of this bottom heating plate IRPH4. As I reiterate that it is primarily used for bottom heating and not for baking. So you are welcome to send your inquiries to us if you want to purchase this product. So we also keep sufficient stock of this bottom heating plate, and can be shipped immediately on receipt of order and getting your payment. So please do send your inquiries to us. We will get back to you. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.